Hello guys, welcome back to the Future Internet Cafe. If you are new here, welcome, and we post a new video every week. First of all guys, thank you so much for 100 subscribers. Let's take it to 1000. My name is Catherine and I'll be your guide through this tutorial. So in today's video, we are going to look at how to check if your duplicate ID is ready for collection. So if you're one of those people when you're nashinanga kienda Huduma Center kuangalia kama ID imetoka, you don't need to do that anymore. You can simply check it online. So go to your search engine. For the purpose of this video, I'm using Google, and search for Huduma Kenya, as you can see on your screen. Once the results open, click on Huduma Kenya, or you can click on Huduma Kenya appointment. Once you click on Huduma Kenya, it will open the Huduma Kenya website. This is how it looks like, as you can see on your screen. Click on Book Appointment. It's going to open the appointment page asking you to log in with eCitizen. So click on Login with eCitizen. Once you click on Login with eCitizen, enter your ID number and your password, or your email and password, and click on Sign In. It's going to ask you if you are about to sign in as who and who. So please make sure that you're signing in with your account. Confirm if the details are correct. If you make sure they are correct, click on Proceed. It's going to open your Huduma page. Confirm that the details are yours again before you make any changes, book an appointment, or check for your document. So once the page is open, click on Track Documents. As you can see, under Track Document, there are three options: Duplicate ID, Smart Driving License, and Birth Certificate. For the purpose of this video, we are checking if your duplicate ID is ready. For this case, it's not. It's under processing. So if yours is ready for collection, book an appointment and go to your Huduma Center and pick it up. If not, you can keep checking until it's ready for collection. So thank you so much guys for watching, and thank you so much for 100 subscribers. So let's take it to 1000, and I look forward to see you next time. Bye bye.